Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum seems to be breaking to the downside a little bit too early to confirm it, but it's starting to look good. 1921. We are currently in favor of price breaking to the downside of this pattern because we are looking here at a 5-wave move to the downside in a wave 1, 2, 3. The weekend might have provided a wave 4. Actually, probably not in an ABC structure, but eventually maybe as a triangle. Yeah, an Elliott wave triangle in wave 4. So let's put that on the chart. A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. That is now important to measure targets because then we can look at the wave 5. What's interesting is that, first of all, to have that confirmed break to the downside, we need really a break below the B wave low at 1917. So as it seems, it's going that way now, which is good. Ethereum seems to be dropping a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. We'll see. Bitcoin is extremely stubborn. So a break below that level would confirm. I want to see eventually a break below 1902 and ideally targeting here the yellow support area at 1875, ideally lower. But if it's going down that low in a straight line, I am unsure. Could do a B wave first and then the C wave down. So the structure is A wave down in 5 waves, B wave up, C wave down. Now again, until I have a break below the 1916 level, this can still stay in the pattern, could still be a triangle, but it seems like it's coming down now. Just be aware on smaller time frames like that, things are often changing very quickly, you know, price development and everything. Yeah, so the trend is down. The idea is now, obviously, as discussed on the weekend, that Ethereum completed this larger degree wave 1 on Friday, the 14th of July, and we're now coming down the wave 2. As I showed you, ideally that's an ABC structure. In an alternative structure or alternative wave pattern, this move down here will already be all of wave 2. So my primary expectation is to get this larger ABC structure, which means that after the next low, we should get a corrective bounce and then the final drop. Alternatively, the next low is the last one, but we expect a bounce either way. The bounce could occur from 1875 or 1828. Looking good so far. Just need a bit of patience now. Showed you that trend line here earlier. Now that's broken and yeah, it's starting to look good. So what would be a target for the 5th wave? How do we measure that? First of all, interesting is that on the Bitcoin chart, we're looking for 2 more lows in this A wave, whereas on the ETH chart, only 1 more low. I'm not sure how that works together, but we'll see. The market will find a way. So target-wise, we take the length of waves 1 through 3, then we go to the end of the wave 4. Yeah, and then we've got 2, you could say, targets. We've got the 38.2 extension at 1890. I would pay some attention to that level. And the next one is 1860. So somewhere there in this region between 1890 and 1860, we've got the 1875 level here in between. That's where this wave should get to. It's dropping now quite rapidly, but not very rapid. Okay, it's not like it's crashing down. So it still takes its time. Bitcoin doesn't really seem to want to go that aggressively, but it's looking good now. Also here retest, so I just have the Bitcoin chart open because it moves together, right? So yeah, here Bitcoin should also head lower and Ethereum is just moving with Bitcoin. Let's see. The condition is and remains and has been over the weekend that the 1955 level shouldn't be broken. If it gets broken to the upside, something more bullish is going on. Until then, we focus on the downside because the short-term trend is down. Yeah, someone told me I'm always bearish in the last comment, which is of course rubbish. We're very bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, but of course you can be bullish on one time frame, like the daily, okay, and you can be short-term bearish, like here. I mean, this is the 15-minute I'm looking at, right? So expectation is now to form this correction and complete it in the yellow support area where a turnaround should occur and the rally to the upside should follow. Let's see how far we come down, how far the Asian traders can bring the market down here overnight. and then at some point, but this should take longer. Yeah, I mean, this is not going to happen overnight, I think, and the third wave rally isn't going to start tomorrow. It would surprise me. Crypto can always surprise. I mean, it's not even confirmed that we're coming down because we haven't broken below 1916, but we're coming very close now, so it's looking good. So yeah, keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.